Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Patrick. Happy birthday to you.
Happy na birthday pa. Happy birthday, Patrick. Balik ka na dito. Miss ka na namin. Enjoy your birthday. Hey, Patrick. Happy birthday, Patrick. Ubibi, ikaw naman. I-greet mo na happy birthday si Tito Patrick mo. Happy birthday, Tito Patrick. Have a nice one.
Hey boss, what's up? Happy birthday! Um, wish ko lang sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka na ng girlfriend. Yung totoong girlfriend. Yeah! Wala nang bilang-bilang, ha? Tapos, uh, more good health, then stay healthy, more new career pala. Yan. Then, ingat dyan sa Pinas, kayo ni Renz. Sana magkasama-sama din tayo dito sa Qatar. And para makakapag-banding tayo, you know. Kung may binibini lang dito. And then, enjoy your birthday. Good luck.
Hello, happy birthday. Another year na naman ang dumagdag sa edad mo. Sana mas maging fruitful ang birthday mo, ang life mo. Sana mas maging happy. At sana mahanap mo na kung talaga yung talagang hinahanap mong girl. Ayan. Happy birthday!
Hey Bunso, happy birthday! I miss you so much. Alam mo naman, ngayong 20 years old ka na, ngayon ko palang mamimiss yung birthday mo. Pero that's for the better, right? Kasi alam ko, inaabang mo na yung sweldo ko. Which is wala pa. Kaya mag-intay-intay ka muna. Baka October pa po yung first. Okay, happy birthday. I love you. So, whatever man yung mga naibigay namin na pagtulong-tulungan namin, at ang laki-laki na nun ha, please lang, makontento ka. Pero huwag ka mag-alala, may bonus ka pa bukod dun sa inuta ko kay mami, okay? I love you. Happy birthday. Enjoy mo lang tong buong araw na to. Magpakasaya ka. Invite all of your friends and do whatever makes you happy for today, okay? Ngayon lang yan dahil birthday mo. Joke lang. I love you.
Happy birthday, baby. Happy birthday, my bunso. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Bunso, ayokong hanapin mo yung hinahanap mo. Ayoko muna, baby, ha. Hindi na ikaw magiging bunso ko pagka ganun. Kailangan si mama lang ang love mo. Wala nang iba. Mama lang. Okay? I love you so much. And wishing you all the best. And a good health. At saka, ayoko na ng mga girls. Tama na yan. Tama na. Nakakota ka na. Ngayon, kailangan umuwi ka na sa akin. Dito ka na. Dito ka na sa bahay. Dito ka na sa akin. Dito ka. Lahat-lahat. I love you. Kasi, silosa si mama. Bawal na ang mga girls. Okay, baby? You promise me that? Tsaka yung pustahan nating dalawa, ha? Kailangan. Yung deal pala natin at pustahan. Deal. It's a deal, baby. You know how much you are to me. And you'll always be my baby. Okay, baby? Sorry. I'm really tired. Pagod. Love you so much, baby. I love you. Pwede ulit. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Ingat kayo lagi dyan ni Kuya, ha? Tandaan nyo, mahal na mahal ko kayong dalawa. Pati si ate, nandito, nasa amin. Kayong dalawa, malayo. Kaya kailangan makabalik na kayo sa aking feeling. Love you guys. Bye-bye.
Hi Patrick, happy birthday. Bilis ng panahon, ano? Parang last year lang. Magto-21 ka na. Binabati ka rin namin ng ganito. Anyway, I hope all your dreams will come true. And sabi nga ni Kenneth, matagpuan mo na yung hinahanap mo. May hinahanap ka ba? Mukhang wala naman eh. At saka, yun, lagi kang magpakabait. Always be a good boy. At stay happy. And ayusin mo buhay mo. Happy birthday, son. I love you.
Three. Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Birthday! Woo! Saya-saya! Woo!
And it's time to celebrate your birthday. It is here. It only happens once a year. Happy birthday.